Hello, my name is Essence-Jade Springer, and today I'm going to be teaching you guys about cloud computing security. So what is cloud computing security? Cloud computing security is a branch of cybersecurity designed to secure data and information that businesses and people store in the cloud. By storing data in the cloud, you are able to access said data on any device since the data isn't stored on a device's hardware. What that means is that so say you have a file that you want to save. Instead of saving it to one singular computer, you save it to the cloud, and that way you are able to access it on your phone, your computer, your iPad, your TV, if you have a smart TV. And cloud security is very important because many businesses and people rely on the cloud to store important data. So it's very important that that data remains secure. If the data is not secure, it can be subject to cyber attacks similar to ones that companies like Facebook, LinkedIn, and Alibaba have faced, where millions of their customers' information has just been hacked and leaked. There are four main types of clouds and three types of cloud computing services. The four main types of clouds are private, public, hybrid, and multi-cloud. Private clouds are dedicated to single users. So basically one singular user or group is given access to their own special cloud, basically, and no one else can access it but the people who are given authorization. Public clouds are IT infrastructure is not owned by the user. For example, Google Cloud, Microsoft Azure, basically clouds where multiple users have access to. Hybrid clouds are environments that combine both public and private in different variations. So it could be one public, one private, two public, two private, just any variation. And multi-clouds are made up of multiple different clouds from different cloud providers. And then the three main types of cloud computing services. Each of these services flow the data from the client to the service provider and then back to the client. It's basically just like a whole big loop. Infrastructure as a service, or IaaS, is the service provider manages the servers, virtualization, storage, and network, and the user manages operating systems, apps, and the data. Software is a way to deliver applications over internet instead of installing software. And the service provider basically manages everything. This is a way that frees the user from having to manage software and hardware. And then platforms as a service allows developers to integrate data into their apps, while the PaaS server manages storage, operating systems, servers, and networks.